15 Health Benefits of Soursop Leaves Tea. Introducing you to the remarkable world of Soursop Leaves Tea and its incredible health benefits. Soursop leaves, derived from the Annona muricata tree, have been a well-kept secret in traditional medicine for generations, and their potential to enhance well-being is nothing short of astonishing. In this video, we'll explore 15 reported health benefits of Soursop Leaves Tea, from its antioxidant properties to potential anti-cancer effects. But before we delve into this fascinating journey, we kindly request you to subscribe to Healthism, your trusted source for the latest health and wellness insights. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with valuable information that can help you lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery and uncover the incredible world of Soursop Leaves Tea. Nutritional profile of Soursop leaves. Soursop leaves offer a notable nutritional profile that complements their potential health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant known for its ability to combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. In addition to vitamin C, Soursop leaves contain a variety of B-complex vitamins such as thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, and folate, B9, each playing crucial roles in energy metabolism and overall well-being. Minerals found in Soursop leaves include calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as phosphorus, which is vital for various cellular processes. Iron is also present, contributing to healthy red blood cell formation and oxygen transport throughout the body. These nutrients, combined with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, enhance the nutritional value of Soursop leaves. The phytochemicals in Soursop leaves, such as alkaloids, acetogenins, and flavonoids, are particularly noteworthy. These compounds are linked to the tea's reported health benefits, including its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and potential anti-cancer properties. 15 reported health benefits of Soursop leaves tea. 1. Antioxidant properties. The high vitamin C content and other antioxidants in Soursop leaves tea may help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Immune support. The immune-boosting potential of Soursop leaves tea may help the body ward off infections and illnesses more effectively. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Soursop leaves are believed to possess anti-inflammatory properties, making them a possible natural remedy for inflammatory conditions. 4. Weight management. Soursop leaves tea, due to its fiber content, can promote a sense of fullness, potentially assisting in weight management and reducing overeating. 5. Digestive health. Soursop leaves tea may have a soothing effect on the stomach and support regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive well-being. 6. Blood sugar control. Emerging research suggests that Soursop leaves tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. 7. Heart health. The potential to lower cholesterol levels and promote cardiovascular health makes Soursop leaves tea a valuable addition to heart-healthy diets. 8. Anti-cancer potential. Preliminary studies have shown that certain bioactive compounds in Soursop leaves may possess anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. 9. Pain relief. Soursop leaves tea is reported to alleviate pain, providing relief for conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. 10. Antimicrobial effects. The tea's antimicrobial properties may help combat infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms. 11. Liver health. Research suggests that Soursop leaves tea may support liver health by aiding in detoxification processes and promoting optimal liver function. 12. Anxiety and stress reduction. The calming effects of Soursop leaves tea may reduce anxiety and stress, potentially improving mental well-being and promoting relaxation. 13. Skin health. When applied topically, Soursop leaves tea may help with skin conditions like acne and eczema, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. 14. Sleep aid. Soursop leaves tea's calming properties may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, offering a natural remedy for insomnia and sleep disorders. 15. Antiparasitic effects. Some individuals use Soursop leaves tea to combat certain parasites, although further research is required to confirm its efficacy for this purpose. This expanded version provides more comprehensive information on both the nutritional profile and health benefits of Soursop leaves tea, offering a well-rounded perspective on its potential advantages. As we conclude our exploration of the numerous health benefits of Soursop leaves tea, we hope you found this journey enlightening and inspiring. The potential healing properties of Soursop leaves continue to be a subject of intrigue, offering a natural path to improve well-being. Remember that while Soursop leaves tea holds promise, further research is needed to fully understand its effects and dosages. At Healthism, our commitment is to provide you with trustworthy and informative content to help you make informed choices about your health. We encourage you to stay connected by subscribing to our platform so you can access the latest health updates, wellness tips, and expert guidance. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Soursop leaves tea, and we look forward to serving you with more valuable insights on your journey to a healthier and happier life.